So you see a customer states, I hit a pothole and now my tires are worn. I'm pretty sure the tires were worn before you hit the pothole. The pothole just made it even worse. As you can see, it's all bald. And I'm pretty sure this was plugged before this happened. Might as well show you on this angle. You see the front of the wheel over there is kind of, you can see the back of the wheel. That's because the wheel is, you know, curved inwards because they hit a curb. If you look on this side, right, you can't see the back of the wheel. So that wheel is straight. The other side is curved inwards. So a week has passed. Customer has declined new tires for this Tesla. But he did go and pick himself up a set of used tires and rims for us to put on. But I doubt this guy hit a pothole, and that's what damaged the rim. I think the rear got a little bit sideways, and he smacked the curb. That's what I think from what I see. Don't blame the pothole. blame the driver that hit the curb probably. But yeah, as you can see, the front tires are all bald here too. Same thing over here. It's already on the wear bars, and then you can see back there in the rear. Yeah, I think I showed you this last time, but yeah. Also, the right rear is also kind of bent inward, so also declined in alignment, right? So that's just going to wear the tires even more on that right rear. So yeah, these are the Tesla drivers, I guess. They spend their money on a Tesla, but they don't want to spend money on, doing anything to it. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put these tires on. I just wanted to do a little quick video on stuff, Tesla drivers, also Uber driver too. Love it. There's two left fronts. I guess that's where they got the used tire from, because they marked the markings on them.